Hello guys, in this video gonna go ahead and show you um a um this game is the first time I play it. A popular game. Guys probably know it already. It's a top one on the Play Store. It's called Surfer, something like that. I don't know the the name exactly, but you guys probably already know it. Subway Surfers, yeah. The first time I play it, and I downloaded a mod game. Oh my god. I downloaded. What? Okay, it's hard to talk and play at the same time. So for some reason it was working. Okay, so what? Okay, let's try again. Okay, let's move on. Okay. I downloaded a mod game, which means that you don't have to pay for anything. You already get the coins for free and the keys, which for me it's great because you download a game just to have fun, to be paying for these things. So you can download it at a app called, oh my god, this thing is fun. You can download the I'm way too concentrated. I'm sorry guys. Okay. You can download the mod version uh, at AC Market. That's the name of the app. I'll leave a link in the description. You're not gonna get a virus or anything like that. Trust me on this one. Oh my god. No. Okay. So no, thank you. So as you can see, I already have like 4 million uh, coins, and I don't know what's the thing on the right, but I have plenty of things to buy already. So let's go ahead and keys. I have a lot of keys. So let's go ahead and buy this. Let's buy as much as we want. I don't know what this thing gives me. Okay. What's this? Hi there. Oh my god. Okay, so um you can download the mod game at AC Market. You just go to mods and you're gonna search for Subway. This one. Yeah, it's Subway. Just kidding. Okay, so it's Subway servers. Go ahead and press install, the green button. Once you press that, you're gonna go on the top and check your downloads, and then you're gonna press install. Once it's installed, all you need to do is erase your original one and just keep this one. I heard from some players that they lost their things, so and it's hard to go ahead and get back all the coins that you earned, the keys that you unlocked, and all those things. So in order for you to not go ahead and take more of your time trying to unlock all the things, you can just download the mod game, install it, and that's it, guys. Hope you guys have fun. Um, I play a little bit. I don't play this game, but I'm sure if I play it, I'll be probably addicted. Uh, go ahead and download the mod version. Don't take money out of your pockets. The game is to have fun. Um, so yeah, that's it. Thank you and have a great day. I'll probably make a iOS video later, but I think I um you can still download the iOS AC Market. I don't know if it exists. Let me go ahead and search market. I'm sorry. I don't know why I typed in master. Okay. So this is the link acmarket.net. Apparently it's only for Android, but there are plenty of iOS applications where you can still download it. This mod game. Once I get into my iPhone, I'll be posting the video on how to do it on iOS. And that's it, guys. Have a great day and see you guys in the next video. Go ahead and give me a like and subscribe if you like it for more. And thank you.